PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides dependable ductless mini-split repair in Swarthmore, Pennsylvania, fixing weak airflow, leaks, unusual noises, thermostat issues, and cooling problems for homes and small businesses. Our technicians inspect indoor and outdoor units, identify the cause, explain repair options, and restore efficient comfort. We work on common mini-split brands, replace failed parts when needed, and keep the service area clean before leaving your property each time. Contact us today to get cooler air for your home. Are you looking for a ductless mini-split repair service near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. Why is my ductless mini-split not cooling properly? Your ductless mini-split may not cool properly because of a dirty filter, low refrigerant, blocked airflow, frozen coils, or electrical issues. Professional inspection helps restore efficiency and dependable cooling performance. What causes a ductless mini-split to stop working? A ductless mini-split can stop working due to power problems, faulty wiring, refrigerant leaks, thermostat issues, clogged filters, or damaged components. Professional diagnosis identifies the cause and restores reliable operation. What is the service area for your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania location? Our ductless mini-split repair service has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Swarthmore, Media, Glen Riddle, Brookhaven, Upland, Parkside, Village Green, Lima, Chester, Eddystone, Ridley Park, Folsom, Rutledge, Glenolden, Folcroft, Leicester, Morton, Wallingford, Moylan, and Elwyn, Pennsylvania. Where is your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania ductless mini-split repair service office located? We are located at 630 Fairview Road, number 110, Swarthmore, Pennsylvania 19081. Our phone number is 610-424-6275. Visit our website, pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Swarthmore.